Alrighty, let's see. Well, I got a little update. Well, something I'm about to do that'll help me get my car rolling. Because I wasn't gonna share this, but by the time the guy that is heavily motivated by me, you know who you are, there is no reason to say your name. But by the time you watch this video, you're gonna realize the same little nonsense that you pulled on me is the same nonsense that I pulled on you. And maybe it'll click in your head, and maybe it won't. But as smart as your ass is, it probably won't. But, hold on, let me see. I got my brake pads. I got the brake hardware clips. I got my daughter's birthday present. Well, one of them. But, yeah, first, hold on. Before I get back to this car stuff, Amazon, seriously, this is how y'all sent this? This looked like this been kicked on the floor and all that. Like, the box was closed, granted. But hold on. This is how the box looked, man. This box whooped. But anyways, I got my brakes, my brake pads, and I got the clips. Let me show you this. The little clips to hold like the brake line in place. Because when I was taking all that old stuff off my car, I lost these. But yeah, we're gonna see what we're gonna do. I'll probably add that in here. I hit up my my old head, ask him to bleed my master cylinder for me. So I'll add that in here when I'm taking it off. And then yeah, you know, shit. Check all my connections and then shit. Hopefully these fucking brakes work. Well, my homie Memphis Mike said it'd be hard to work on your car and record, because I ain't feel like actually turning this camera on. But I remember I had a first part to this video, so I said, hey, let me turn this back on. But because I know he ain't gonna document that wheel tub like I had asked him to do, so I could do it my damn self, because we ain't gonna get into the other part of that story. But yeah, but also shouts out to my son, King D, for you know, telling me the right brake pad for this. But they damn sure fit. Damn sure the right pad. Oh shit. As soon as I say that, it looks like I got a fucking issue. Oh, but I don't. There we go. Oh, bitch. But anyways, back to installing these before the wife and the daughter get back. Take my daughter out for a birthday dinner. But figure, you know, just show me working a little bit. Alright, but again, shouts out to my youngest son, King Duffy, aka King D 2500. Come on, bitch. There we go. Alright, so I got that in there. Alright, let's see. Take the gloves off for this part. And it still is winter time up here in the good old Midwest. It's actually a little bit of snow outside, but that ain't gonna stop me from doing what the fuck I set out to do today. And also, like I said in my previous video, I'm gonna get this motherfucker to move under its own goddamn power. So, with that being said, we're gonna keep chugging along. Chug. If you've seen Major Payne, you get that reference. Alright, let's see. Hold on. Let's give it just a wee bit more. There because the motherfucking wheels ain't all the way. Yeah, there we go. See, you don't hear anything. Bada bing, bada boom. All is well in the world. Oh, also, I don't even really need these because I thought if I ran these, it might give me the little bit of space I needed. So, I wouldn't fuck up the, what is it called? The valve stem on the wheel. So let me explain that real quick. Hold on. Let me explain that real quick. Should not go, well, hold on. All right, the valve stem, because of these big ass brakes, the valve stem, where's it at? I don't even know why I gotta show you this, but where's it at? There it goes. The valve stem, it keeps hitting the caliper. So I bought these. I just ain't got them put in yet. But these are like some shallow joints, so it won't hit. But that's what we're doing today, or that's what I'm doing right now. You see the snow. So I'm about to throw this wheel back on, tighten up some other stuff. But that's gonna conclude this first part. Probably be over here early in the morning tomorrow. I'm gonna take that off. I think I said it already. I'm gonna go mess with my old head. He gonna bench bleed it for me because it's brand new. Let me see. Hold on. Video. Oh yeah, here come the wife and the daughter now. So that will conclude this part of this video. All right, well, I'm headed over here now. Got that off. About to go get this bled. So, yeah, let's go take care of this. You can see it's right here. So we're gonna go take care of this. Alrighty. Well, I'll cut y'all back on in a minute when I get over there. Well, god damn it. This definitely didn't go how I had planned. But yeah, man, this right here, I might have to replace this and get something better because it's not working out. I went and got it bled, did all that, and it's not working out. So, gonna have to get the right one. So, anyways, making progress in the right direction. But, yeah, I'm still determined to get this car to run by my brother's birth anniversary. Well, I shouldn't say run, to move under his own power by my brother's birth anniversary, but this really just fucked my day up. But, anywho, yeah, fuck it, I'm gonna just end this video.